We just got finished taping The Gifts of Joy, and I was a guest on there, and so I was reminded on how I got this opportunity, which I thought was totally amazing and awesome. And I want to talk about marketing. To just take another step forward. I don't know who is at the brink of saying, I can't take it no more. That I know what it feels like. And so I think in order to be able to share that moment, to encourage that person to take another step, that this is not the end all. This is your purpose. This is your assignment. And you don't know what strangers are depending on that for you to continue to move forward, and shame on you if you give up too soon.
So I saw this book on Amazon.com, the Desiree Lee Story, Inmate 1142980, and I read the reviews and I had to purchase my own copy. It's just such an inspirational story.
A high school student on her way to college in pursuit of the American dream. 2 weeks after graduation, her dream was no longer an option. Visit www.amazon.com and purchase your copy today.
Joy Douglas here with you today, and I have a very special guest, a wonderful woman. Her name is Desiree Lee, and she's the author of Inmate 1142980, the Desiree about scholarships on my way to college. Okay, in pursuit of the American dream, I found myself 2 weeks after graduating high school on the other side of the law, and I was then incarcerated for 11 counts of armed robbery and 5 counts of aggravated assault. And at 17, I was facing 135 years in prison. And to the parents that may be watching this, you can only imagine how my parents felt of working so hard and tirelessly and sacrificing for me to get those grades, for me to get those scholarships. And then 2 weeks after graduating from high school, I'm on the other side. A lot of best-selling authors forget to do this when they become a best-selling author. They forget this stuff, or they get a little lazy about it. But you got to remember that even though you become a best-selling author, you have to remember to promote and market your books. The way I got this opportunity was, I remember I just went to an event, and it was a bookstore, and I asked if I could leave a few copies of my book in the store. The bookstore didn't pay for it. I have it on consignment, and oftentimes when we sell books, we think we're supposed to sell them instead of give them away. But I always had this thought process: if one person read the book, maybe they know 10 other people, maybe they'll purchase a bulk of my book. I don't know. But thank God I did that, because the host of Gifts of Joy read my book when she was in a barbershop. And after she read the book, she tells the story on how she read it all the way through within 24 hours, and how she invited me to be a guest on her show. Now, what if I would have thought that because somebody didn't buy the book, I wasn't going to leave it? Or what if I thought because just I was a best-selling author that I was like, oh, I don't need to put this in this bookstore? I don't know. I have different thoughts like that. Like, what if I didn't do that? Would I have this opportunity? So bottom line is, you don't wait for opportunities, you create them. And you create them by the little decisions that you make every single day. So decide to leave your book at the barbershop or the bookstore next time. You never know what opportunities may present themselves. Before that, my parents kept me in church. And so for me as a teenager, I always saw my mom do praise and worship, pray, and all that. I'm grateful that she taught me how to pray, because when I found myself in there, you believe me, I was praying my butt off. So what I really love about this conversation is that the parents are able to see it from a parent's perspective of my experience. Also, a young person is able to see it from, or how parents view it, or see it from my experience as a teenager. And so I think what a lot of young people think when it comes to prison is that it's what they see, or the perception that they see.